Next question is the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus mod x is dash. The area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus mod x is dash. So now how we can solve these type of problems now? Now if we can observe here modulus of x minus 1. So modulus of x minus 1 means which is plus or minus x minus 1 and 3 minus mod x. Mod x means plus or minus x. So first of all we need to find the limits. So I am equating x minus 1 is equal to 3 minus x. Positive 1 I am taking here, x minus 1 here positive x, 3 minus x. Now 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So this is the one limit. And another limit is, now I am taking negative, minus of x minus 1 which is equal to 3 minus of minus x. Now minus x plus 1 is equal to 3 plus x. Now 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1. This is the another limit. So one limit is minus 1, another limit is 2. Integration of minus 1 to 0 I am taking. Now I am taking this y is equal to x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus x. So without modulus I am taking y is equal to x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus x. Sure, upper curve is always 3 minus x, lower one is x minus 1. Upper one is always 3 minus x, lower one is always x minus 1. Now in between minus 1 to 0, if you can substitute any number here. Suppose I am taking in between minus 1 to 0 minus 1 by 2. If we can substitute here minus 1 by 2, what we get? Minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So we get here 3 plus x minus of lower one. Now same number in between minus 1 to 0 I am taking minus 1 by 2. If we can substitute here minus 1 by 2, then what we get? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus of negative we will get. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So negative we will get. So negative of x minus 1 is 1 minus x dx plus integration of 0 to 1. Similarly, in between 0 to 1, you should take any number. Suppose I am taking 0.5, I mean 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, if we can substitute here, we get 3 minus 1 by 2. So I mean 3 minus x minus of 1 by 2 if we can take here. So 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 we will get. So negative of x minus 1 is 1 minus x dx plus integration of 1 to 2. Integration of 1 to 2, you should take any number. I am taking approximately 1.5. So 3 minus 1.5 is 1.5. So which is a positive. I am taking 3 minus x minus of, if we can take 1 by 2 here, 1.5 here, 1.5 minus 1 which is 0.5 which is a positive. So x minus 1 dx. So without graph also, by using graph also we can able to solve this one. So without graph also, this is the method we are going to follow to solve this kind of problems. Now if we can integrate this 3 minus 1, 2, integration of 2 into dx which is the 2x, then x minus of minus plus x, 2x. So integration of 2x is 2 into x square by 2, 2 gets cancelled, then we get x square with the limits minus 1 to 0 plus 3 minus 1, 2. So we get integration of 2 into dx is 2x and minus x minus of minus plus x gets cancelled with the limits 0 to 1 plus here 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1 4. Integration of 4 into dx is 4x and minus x minus 2x. So integration of minus 2x dx is minus 2 into x square by 2. 2 gets cancelled, we get x square with the limits 1 to 2. So now we can substitute the limits here. So what we get? If we can substitute 0, this entire term become 0. Then minus of, if we can substitute minus 1, we get minus 2 plus 1. Then plus, if we can substitute our upper limit here, we get 2 minus 0. So finally 2 plus Here if we can substitute the upper limit, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 4, 4 minus of, if we can substitute the 1, 4 minus 1, 3. Now which is equal to 1 plus 2, 4 minus 3 is the plus 1, which is equal to 4 square units. So the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus mod x. So the correct answer is 4 square units. Next question is the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to modulus of x minus 2 and x is equal to 1, x equal to 3 and x axis is dash. So by using graphical method I am going to solve this one, x axis, y axis, and this is a graph of y is equal to modulus of x minus 2. So at x equal to 1, y is equal to 1. At x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So 1 comma 1, and x equal to 2, y is equal to 0, and at x equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Three comma 1. So they are asking area of this region. We need to find area of this. Sure, this line is 2 minus x, and this line is x minus 2, x minus 2. So now area is equal to integration of 1 to 2 minus x dx plus integration of 2 to 3 x minus 2 dx. Now area is equal to what we get, 2x minus x square by 2 with the limits 1 to 2 plus x square by 2 minus 2x, the limits 2 to 3. Now if we can substitute the limits, 4 minus 4 by 2 is 2 minus of 2 minus 1 by 2 plus if we can substitute 3 here, 9 by 2 minus 6 minus of 4 by 2 is 2 minus 4. Then after simplifying this everything we get 1 square unit. So the correct answer is 1 square unit.